Hello, world. I'm back one more time. That's right. Carville Bailey here on this 30 for 30 financial challenge. Where I'm looking to help 30 more families in the span of 30 more days to achieve economic empowerment and financial education. See, the first time was great, but as the old saying goes, nothing sweeter than a repeater. So why not continue to help? So when we last left off, I recapped our two financial objectives and our four financial challenges. And I said I was going to come back. I got such a great response for that to where I wanted to come back now and speak to you all about the solutions. So there are three solutions, but today we're going to just touch on one. Oh, by the way, if you want to check out those old videos, go to my YouTube page and subscribe. That's at Carville Bailey. Some good stuff on there. You'll love it. So our first solution is to achieve positive cash flow management. See, when we think about financial difficulties or uncomfortableness, we like to think that we have an income problem. But the fact of the matter is, income is measured in dollars. Cash flow is measured in time. So our first solution to get you on that road to better financial success is to get you positive cash flow. And the reason and the way that we do this rather is to help you to understand that you can make $100,000 a year. But if you're spending out $150,000, you can only live for probably 8-9 months. But even if you're only making $40,000, $50,000, $60,000, let's say $60,000, and your expenses for the year are only $30,000, well, you have positive cash flow. And you can live for up to 2 years on that one income. Or someone that makes that 150 or that 100,000 and they spend 150, now they have to go get another job because it's not their income. They have a negative cash flow. So the one way we help you increase your positive cash flow is we go directly to your W-4 form that your job gives you when you first start working. And we help you revisit that form and fill that form out correctly. See, because if you don't understand, back in April of 2005, the IRS came out with a document called Big Refund, Big Tax Bill. And there it stated that Americans overpay in taxes every year. Then it also went to state, and I'm paraphrasing here, that we will be better off using that money that we tend to look at as a forced savings account because we know come January, February, we're going to have a certain amount of money, right? But they say we'll be better off using that money to pay down debt or to put it in some type of account to where it's going to make interest for us instead of overpaying, giving our money to the government so that they can make interest on it. Now, this is from the government. Big Refund, Big Tax Bill. Go check it out. April 2005. So what we help you do is revisit your W-4 to reclaim the money that you're giving away. See, because what you have to understand is that when you have a job, and we all should have jobs and at some point in time in our life, and that's great. But when you have a job, you're what they call a W-2, because that's what you get back at the end of the year, right? So the way that the government says that is that you work, you get taxed, and then you spend. So before you even see your money to spend it, you've already got taxed. And see, someone that works a W-2 job, they're taxed anywhere between 26 and 32%. So you work, you get taxed, you spend. So what we help you do is go revisit that W-4. And then we help you from that point take those funds to be able to pay down debt in a systematic way and an intentional way to be able to get more cash flow back further and further into your pockets. And then lastly, what we get you to do is to be able to understand how to kind of minimize your expenses. See, because you're not going to cut your expenses and build wealth that way. You can't cut down on your cell phone bill, cut down on your cable bill, and figure that's going to get you to accumulate wealth. But what we can do is we can show you how, by minimizing some of those things, instead of going to Starbucks every day, maybe go buy you a coffee pot and make your coffee. Or go to Starbucks 3 days a week. Instead of going to the liquor store every weekend buying a fifth of liquor, maybe just go buy a pint. Instead of buying 2, 3 packs of cigarettes a week, you might just have to cut down to 1.5. See, now all those little bitty things not going to help you accumulate wealth, but it will help you get positive cash flow. So that's one of the first solutions that we will help you do. So hey, if you want more information on this, trust me, text cash flow to 312-971-9939. That's right. Cash flow, baby. 312-971-9939. Why not bring that extra $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $700 back into your pocket? I know personally, my family was able to bring in close to $8 a month. Now it's up to you. Text cash flow, 312-971-9939, and I'll be back with solution number 2 on this 30 for 30 financial challenge repeater next time. Talk to you later.